down properties of determinants. Properties of determinants. Write down the first property. The first property says that if the rows and columns of if the rows and columns of a determinant are interchanged, if the rows and columns of the determinant are interchanged, the value of determinant does not change. The value of determinant does not change. Have you written it down? Avni, please reply. Ishwar, please reply. Okay. The property says that, let us say we have one matrix by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It says that if I change a row, interchange a row, let us say I make the first row as 4, 5, 6 and second row as 1, 2, 3 and the third row as 7, 8, 9. Okay, let this matrix be A and this matrix be B. Ishwar, you find determinant A. Avni, you find determinant B. Please tell me the respective values of determinant A and determinant B. What is the value of determinant A? 0, 0, perfect. Now you can see that determinant A is also 0 and determinant B is also 0. So that is what our property was saying. If we interchange a row or a column, the value of determinant does not change. I hope it is okay with you. Okay, write down the second property. If two rows, if two rows or two columns, if two rows or two columns of a determinant are interchanged, the value of determinant, the value of determinant, the value of determinant gets multiplied by -1, by -1. Now let us apply this property again. The property says that, let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 9. Over here we have done a mistake. I'll tell you after clarifying this property. Let this be A. Let B be 1, 2, 3, 8, 7, 9, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Ishwar, find determinant A. Avni, find determinant B. No, Ishwar, kindly just go through it again. It is not 0. It is not the same matrix as the above one. That is having 7, 8, 9 and we are dealing with 8, 7, 9 over here. The value of determinant B is 9. Ishwar, minus this. This is 4 here. This is 4. Kindly check your answer once again. Kindly check your answer, Ishwar. Yes, minus 9. So now you can see that I have interchanged one row. So the answer was originally minus 9, it becomes 9. Now let us get back to the first property. In the first property, we read it wrong. It is saying whenever a row is interchanged with a column, whenever a row is interchanged with a column, then the matrix, the determinant of the matrix does not change. Let us try to prove that. Let us take A as what? Let us take A as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 9, and let us take the transpose. Let us take the transpose of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 9. Avni, find determinant A. Ishwar, find determinant B. Okay. Ishwar, your answer? Zero. Let us find 1, 5 into 9, 45, 6 into 7, 42, minus 4, 18, minus 21, plus 8, 12, minus 15. So this becomes plus 3. Over here it is minus 4 into minus 3, that will become plus 12. 8 into 3 will be minus 24. 15 minus 24. Ishwar, it is not coming 0 beta. It is coming minus 9 only. So you can see that whenever rows and columns are interchanged, the value of determinant does not change. You are writing it wrong. I guess you are writing this column as 7, 8, 9, whereas it is 8, 7, 9. Is that okay? Write down the third property. If two rows or columns, if two rows or columns of a determinant, if two rows or two columns of determinant are identical, then the value of determinant is 0. The value of determinant is 0. Okay. What does it say that? Let us say this is this. Okay. Find out the determinant for A. Avni, find out determinant A. Ishwar, find out determinant B. Determinant A is 0. Okay, what about you, Ishwar? 0. Now you can see that in the first matrix, row 2 and row 3 are identical, whereas in second matrix, column 1 and column 2 are identical. Whenever two rows are identical or two columns are identical, the determinant will always be 0. We have proved it by finding it out. Let us move on to property number 4. Write down. If the elements of a row, if the elements of a row or a column, if the elements of a row or the column of a determinant are multiplied, by a scalar, then the value of new determinant, is equal to the same scalar times the value of the original determinant. We'll try to understand it by the example. Let us say 1 2 3 3 2 1 1 1 1, and I have multiplied 1 2 3 6 4 2 2 2 2. Ishwar, find determinant A. Avni, find determinant B. What is the value of determinant A? Determinant A is coming 0. Okay. Determinant A is coming 0, so does not help us. The example does not help us. Let us try to find determinant of this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 7, and determinant B. Find out for this one. 2 4 6 8 10 12 8 9 7. Please find out determinant B now. Determinant A is 9, okay. Avni, determinant B? It should be 36. Yes. Now you can see that over here, the original matrix was having a determinant 9. So I multiplied first row with 2. So determinant got multiplied with 2. I multiplied second row with 2. So the multiple, we multiplied determinant again by 2. So 9 into 4 becomes 36. Is the property clear? If the original determinant would have been x, okay, let us make some more points on this. If let us say determinant A was x, I multiplied first row with 2 and second column with 3. My determinant would be simply 2 into 3 into x, that would be equals to 6x. Is that okay? Okay, write down the next property. If each element of any row, if each element of any row or column, if each element of any row or column of a determinant is the sum of two numbers, then the determinant is expressible as the sum of two determinants of same order. This means, let us say we have to find determinant of a plus alpha 1, b1 plus beta 1, c plus gamma 1. This is a2, this is a3, this is b2, this is b3, this is c2, and this is c3. So this determinant can be expressed as the sum of this determinant and this determinant. Okay, please note it down. Let us try to prove it using an example. Note it down. ईश्वर कर लिया नोट? Okay. Okay, let us try to understand this property. Let us say we have a matrix A, which is given by 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 6, 3, 8. Please find out determinant for this. And I'm splitting it like this: 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 5, 1, 2, 6, 3, 8. So the matrix becomes 212, 512, 638 plus 156, 113, sorry, 213, 228. Let it be 3 over here. Please find this determinant. Avni, find this one and this one. गया इंटरनेट फिर से। ये बात से अली ने चल रहा है, ये होकर है हीट की वजह से मेरे को लगता है कि हीट बार बार मम्मा वो कहाँ है? मम्मा दादी भूला लेके चलती तो मम्मा का हाँ आ गया आ गया हाँ 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 मेरे फोन पे नेट चल रहा है हाँ क्या नहीं स्विच के पॉइंट में प्रॉब्लम आती है। वही करा मैंने, दूसरा मॉडल लगाया अभी। हेलो, hello guys, can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me? Okay, kindly bear with me, are having a lot of problem with this Airtel thing. Okay, so what is the value of determinant A? Minus 42. Okay, and what is the value for the small ones? What are the values for the small ones? We are getting minus 42 as the bigger one. This is minus 42. And what is the value for this one? Minus 6. And the other one? Minus 36. So I can see that minus 6 minus 36 will become what? Minus 42. That is what the point was saying. I hope the point is clear to both of you. Okay. Right on the next point. Point number 6. If to each element of a row, if to each element of a row or column of a row or column of a determinant be added, of a determinant be added, equi multiples of the corresponding elements of one or more row or column of one or more row or column कनेक्शन फिर गया तू ना यूज करना यार मुझे लग रहा है Okay, so please write down the point. The point says that if to each element of a row or a column of a determinant be added equal multiples of a corresponding element of one or more rows or column then the value of determinant is not changed. Okay, so this is a very important point. Let us say we have a matrix by this 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now let us say this is column 1, this is column 2, this is column 3. I simply apply one operation on this, that is column 1 affected column 1 plus 2 column 2 plus 3 column 3. So this will become what? 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. This will become 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5. This will become 2 into 4 plus 3 into 6. And the other one is 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 6. Let us solve this one. This will become 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 5 plus 9, 14. 1 plus 6 plus 15. 1 plus 6 plus 15 will be 22. 2 plus 8 plus 18. 2 plus 8 plus 18 will be 28. So please find the determinant for this and determinant for this. Avni, find this one. Ishwar, find this one. Determinant is 0 for this. Let me calculate. 18 minus 20, 6 minus 10, and this will be 3 into 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 8 plus 6. This will become 0. What is the value of determinant E, Ishwar? 0. So you can see that it has not changed. See, what we did, what does this point mean? ये point का मतलब है कि अगर आप कोई भी रो या कॉलम ऑपरेशन लगाते हो तो उससे determinant will not change. Is that okay? Avni, is that okay? Last point. The determinant of the product of the determinant of the product of a square matrix, the determinant of the product of a square matrix of same order is equal to the product of is equal to the product of determinant of the matrix is equal to determinant of the matrix. Please read the point. Let us say we have a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. We have another matrix by the name of 3, 4, 5, 6. Find first of all AB. Okay. Then verify that determinant of AB should be equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. Please find it. Determinant A will be 8 minus 6 and determinant will be 18 minus 20. So this becomes minus 2. This becomes minus 2. So determinant is 4. Find AB and let me know its determinant. What is AB? यार लाइटें बंद करके मेरे को समझ नहीं आया. लाइटें बंद करके हाँ. Yes. What is the value of AB? What is AB? What is the first row of AB? Yeah, determinant AB is 4. You can see that determinant A dot determinant B is also 4. 13 and 16. Okay. What is the next row? 29 and 36. Okay, good enough. Chalo, let us ये point to clear हो गया. This point is only applicable in a square matrix. Write down the last point. Write down. If any row or any column, if any row or any column is entirely zero, then the value of determinant is 0. Then the value of determinant is 0. Find the determinant of the following. Avni, you will find this one, and Ishwar, you will find this one. Very good. 0. Okay, that is what the point is saying. If any of the row is 0 or any of the column is 0, the determinant will always be 0. Okay, let us try to do some problems on this. Write down. Evaluate the following determinants. Evaluate the following determinants. Okay, so in this type of questions, what we can do is either we can go on with the correct method, that is evaluating across the top row, or what we can do is, now you can see that we have already understood the row operations. So let us make this two zeros with the help of this. So the simple operation can be R2 affected R2 minus R1 and R3 affected R3 minus R1. This will become what? 1A, B, C, 0. This will become B minus A. This will become CA minus BC. This will become 0. This will become C minus A. And this will become AB minus BC. Now, what I can do is B minus A, C minus A. Over here, I can take common as C and I'll be left with what? A minus B. And over here, I can again take C as common and over here I will be left with what? A minus B. Yeah, B is common. So this becomes A minus C. Now from the second row I can take B minus A common, and from the third row I can take C minus A common. So it will become 0, 1, C, minus C over here, 0, 1 and minus B over here. Why this minus C and minus B? Because it is A minus B over here and A minus C, whereas I'm taking B minus A and C minus A as common. Is that okay? Avni, is that okay? Now again we can make this 1 0 using this one. So this becomes R3 affected R3 minus R2. This will become what? 1 A B C 0 1 minus C 0 0. This will become minus B plus C. Please note it down. So this becomes B minus A into C minus A. Again taking C minus B common from the third row. This becomes 1 A B C 0 1 minus C 0 0 1. Now you can see that it has become a lower upper triangular matrix, and the upper triangular matrix have a determinant by the product of principal diagonal. So the determinant is what? 1 into 1 into 1. Hence the complete determinant becomes what? B minus A into C minus A into C minus B into 1. So this is my final answer. Please note it down. Have you noted down? Yes, no, no, yes. Okay. Ishwar, done? Yes. अवनी कुछ नहीं किया हमने. See what we have done is in this one, यहाँ पे आपके पास ये 1 बन गया था, तो मैंने इसको फिर से 0 कर दिया. The entire idea is कि मैं ऐसा कुछ बना दूं, ऐसा कुछ बना दूं, क्योंकि ऐसे वाले मेट्रिसेस जब डायगोनल के नीचे वाले एलिमेंट 0 हो या डायगोनल के ऊपर वाले एलिमेंट 0 हो, तो इनका डिटर्मिनेंट इज सिंपली द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल. तो मेरे पास बाहर क्या बना हुआ था? ये बना हुआ था, और यहाँ पे 3 0 हो गए थे नीचे वाले. प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल क्या है? 1 इंटू 1 इंटू 1, तो उनका डिटर्मिनेंट कितना होगा? 1. तो मेरा फाइनल आंसर क्या आ गया? b माइनस ए इंटू सी माइनस ए इंटू सी माइनस बी. Is that okay? Avni, is that okay? Okay. Chalo, let us do one more question to have more clarity on this. Evaluate determinant 1, 1, 1, x, y, z, x square, y square, z square. Sorry, it is cube over here. Okay. So again, the idea is to make these two 1, 0. What operation I can apply? Row 2 minus row 1, row 3 affected, row 3 minus row 1. So this will become 1x x cube. This will become 0. This will become y minus x. This becomes y cube minus x cube. This becomes 0. Z minus x. This becomes z cube minus x cube. Now I can apply the formula of a cube minus b cube over here. This becomes y minus x into y square plus xy plus x square into z minus x into z square plus zx plus x square. Now I can take y minus x common from the second row and z minus x from the third row. So this becomes x cube 0 0 1 1. This becomes y square plus yx plus x square z square plus zx plus x square. Now again this one is over there. What I can do is R3 affected R3 minus R1, sorry R2. What will it become? This will become y minus x into z minus x into 1 0 0 0 1. Over here it is x cube, and over here it was y square plus yx plus x square, and the last value will become what? This will become z square plus zx minus y square minus yx. Okay, so I can factorize the last one. 1x x cube 0 0 0 1 y square plus yx plus x square. I can take z common from here, so this will become z plus x. I can take y common from here. I can take y common. This will become y minus x. It is not becoming anything. What I can do is, let us not do it like this. Let us do it like this. Z square plus y square, z square minus y square, yes. And if I take z common, zx and yx, something like this. So this becomes z minus y into z plus y. And I can take z common, sorry, x common. So this will become z minus y. If I take z minus y common from the entire thing, I will be left with z plus y plus x. So what I can do is, over here I can write it down. I can write it down over here as z minus y into z plus y plus x. Now taking z minus y common, I'm erasing the all. This will become y minus x into z minus x, taking z minus y common from the last row. I'll be left with 1 0 0 0 1 x x cube. Over here it is y square plus xy plus x square, and over here it is z plus y plus x. Again you can see that it has become an upper triangular matrix. So this part will be having the determinant equals to product of principal diagonal. And what is principal diagonal? 1 into 1 into z plus y plus x. So the entire answer becomes what? This. Avni, is that clear to you? I'm taking you back to the main slide. From there we'll start noting it down. Note it down. नहीं अवनी, नहीं है, आइडेंटिकल नहीं है वो, आप देख सकते हो. नहीं अवनी, नहीं है बेटे, आप मैट्रिक्स ध्यान से देखो. जस्ट वेट, आई विल शो यू द मैट्रिक्स. वेट, ओरिजिनल में कहाँ है आप देखो. z चल रहा है, y, और वहां देखो कहाँ आइडेंटिकल है ये. ये रफ वर्क था आपका. दिस वन वाज रफ वर्क. आई टेक दी सेशन टिल 10 o'clock. ठीक है, 1.5 hour पूरा करना है मुझे. और हाँ, थोड़ा कनेक्टिविटी का भी इशू आया है. आई विल वाइंड द सेशन एट एग्जैक्ट 10. आगे कर दूं ईश्वर? नोटेड? नोटेड डाउन? ओके, लेट अस डू वन मोर क्वेश्चन। अब देखो, अभी तक लॉजिक जो हमने बिल्डअप कर लिया है उसको रिफ्रेश कर रहे हैं। अभी तक जितने मैट्रिक्स थे उसमें आपको यहाँ पे 1 1 1 करके दे रहे थे, तो आपने सबसे पहले इन दोनों को जीरो किया। उसके बाद यू ट्राई टू मेक 1 1 ओवर हेयर एंड देन यू आर मेकिंग दिस वन एज जीरो, सो दैट आपके पास सिर्फ क्या रह जाए, प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल। ठीक है, विल अप्लाई द सेम लॉजिक ऑन दीज प्रॉब्लम्स। अब थोड़ा चेंज कर रहा हूं मैं क्वेश्चन को, लिखो इवेल्युएट या शो दैट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस, show that a square plus 1 ab bc sorry ab ac ab b square plus 1 bc ac cb c square plus 1 का डिटर्मिनेंट इज इक्वल्स टू 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square। ओके, नाउ ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा ट्रिकी है, या इसको ना बाद में करते हैं, इससे पहले इजी क्वेश्चन करके देखते हैं। डू दिस वन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, लेट अस डू दिस वन। ये इजी है, थोड़ा सा हेल्प भी करेगा लॉजिक बिल्ड करने में। अल्फा प्लस 1 इंटू अल्फा प्लस 2 अल्फा प्लस 2 इंटू सॉरी 1 अल्फा प्लस 2 इंटू अल्फा प्लस 3 अल्फा प्लस 3 इंटू 1 अल्फा प्लस 3 इंटू अल्फा प्लस 4 अल्फा प्लस 4 1 is equals to minus 2. We have to prove this. Please note, first of all, let us open up the brackets. This becomes alpha square plus 2 alpha plus 2 alpha plus 2 1 alpha square plus 5 alpha plus 6 alpha plus 3 1 alpha square plus 7 alpha plus 12 alpha plus 4 1. Okay, now you can see that over here again it is 1 1 over here. We have to make this 1 0 using this one. So apply the operation R2 minus R1 and R3 affected R3 minus R1. Please note it down. कर लिया नोट? बेटा यहाँ पे 3 अल्फा लिख लेना, ये 3 अल्फा आएगा यहाँ पे। कर लिया नोट? अब नहीं? ओके, जब मैं ऑपरेशंस लगा दूंगा तो क्या बनेगा यहाँ पे? फर्स्ट रो को एज इट इज रह गई, दैट इज अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस 3 अल्फा प्लस 2 एंड अल्फा प्लस 2 1, इधर 0 0 बन गया, and on the other side it becomes 2 alpha plus 4 and 4 alpha plus 10, and over here it becomes 1 and 2. Now again we'll make this 2 0 with the help of this 1. What will be the operation be? Row 3 affected row 3 minus twice row 2 over here into 1, जो लॉजिक हमने पहले सीखा था. This will become alpha square 3 alpha plus 2 alpha plus 2 1 0 0 0 2 alpha plus 4 1, and it becomes what? It becomes 4 alpha plus 10 minus 4 alpha plus 8. So it becomes 2 over here. Okay. Now I can expand it across. New point to be learned is you can expand it across any row or column. Expand it across column 3. So what will it become? Plus minus plus. So let us take this one. Now leave this row and leave this column. It will be 2 alpha plus 4 1 2 0. Okay, this becomes minus 0. Leave the middle row and the rightmost column. It becomes alpha square plus 3 alpha plus 2 alpha plus 2 2 0. Okay, now the third part, this is again 0. I'm writing it over here, plus 0. Leave the bottommost row and the rightmost column. This will become alpha square 3 alpha 2 2 alpha plus 4 alpha plus 2 and 1. Is it okay with all both of you? पता लग गया कैसे expand किया column के across? We have used the same concept as we have done in the topmost row. The only difference is that we have expanded it from the column third. Is that okay? Ishwar? Ishwar, are you there? Is it okay with you? Shall I repeat it or is it okay? Okay. So on solving this, this part becomes 0. This part becomes 0. So we have to only solve this thing. This will become what? This will be, I'm writing it over here. This will become what? This will become 1. 2 alpha plus 4 into 0 will be 0. And 2 into 1 will be 2. Hence my answer is what? Minus 2. Please note it down. Shall we do the next question? Okay. Let us solve this. It says that determinant 2a b a square b square a square b square 2ab b square 2ab a square का determinant. We have to prove this equals to minus a cube plus b cube का whole square. Okay, now over here थोड़ा practice it will be requiring. Let us take R1 affected R1 plus R2 plus R3. So I'll be getting at as a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is a square, this is b square, 2ab, 2ab and a square over here. Now I can take a square plus b square plus 2ab common from the first row. This becomes 1 1 1. Okay, now you can see that top row में 1 1 1 बन चुका है. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, अब इन दो वंस को हम जीरो कर सकते हैं यूजिंग दिस वन. अप्लाई दी लॉजिक C2 minus C1 and C3 affected C3 minus C1. Try solving it yourself now. I'll be back in 1 minute.